as we forgive for those sins against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Good afternoon, Teacher Yan.
Sit down. Okay, so for today, before we start our lesson, let me lend you a short game. So I called six students earlier than my time, and they are. Stand up, please. Come here in front. Okay. The game is called Secret Speaker Game. There are six speakers here in front, and the rest of the class will identify kung kinsa ang speaker nilang unog. So they will deliver the same prompt, but you will determine kung kinsa ang speaker nilang unog. Are you ready? Okay, speakers, in a count of three. In three, in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, thank you. Sit down, speakers. Now, who is the secret speaker? Who says sumot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Who says libranza? Who says Krisha? What about Rosebell? What about Camino? And Guadalquivir. Okay, why Supot? Those who chose Supot, why? What was your basis? What were your basis? Facial expression, what else? The actions or the gestures. What else? What else? The voice. Okay, the expression, voice, and gestures. Okay. Now I have here a short video of Gil Vandal. Okay, who is she? Any idea who the speaker is? The new generation don't know her. Senator. Eh, pero yung makapagalaro yung Miriam Defensor Santiago. Okay. What made the speech engaging? Anyone? What made the speech engaging? Anong nalingaw man itong mga si katawag mga tawado? What did she do? Okay, May, what did she do? Stand up. Doing some jokes. Correct. So, kung makakorrect ang inyong classmate kasi, you got it right. Stay smart and strong. Wow, bongga. Gets? Okay. Ano mo? You got it right. Smart and strong. Wow, bongga. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and. Got it right. Smart and strong. Wow, bongga. Okay. Now, how did the speaker connect with the audience? Yan sa man sa pag-connect sa audience. Yes, Dibanza. Stand up. By getting their attention through what? How? Yes, Sopot. How? How did she connect with her audience? Aside from making jokes. Aside from making jokes, what did she do? She took what the audience can relate with. The more you connect with your audience through what they can relate with, you will have the connection that you aim to have with your audience and you. Understood? Okay. Now, our topic for today will be about public speaking. Okay, now first, let me lend you the objectives. Okay. The first objective would be read.
Identify key factors in delivering a speech.
We would expect you to identify key factors in delivering a speech. The factors will be tackled later on. The second one.
Debate about a given topic. Is social media more harmful or beneficial to society?
What will you do later on?
Debate.
You should be ready. Next one expected from you is to
Take the importance of public speaking in expressing ideas and communicating with others.
I hope we can gain that after the class. First, what is a public speaking? Read.
Public speaking is the process of delivering a structured speech to an audience to inform, persuade, or entertain. It is a vital communication skill used in various settings.
Public speaking, from the word itself, public, you will deliver it in front of a mass of people. Public speaking, you spoke or you speak in public, you deliver your speech in public. If you deliver it to yourself, then I don't know what it is called. Kung imo lang istorya yung pagalingan, what do you call that one? If you talk to yourself while delivering your speech, what do you call that one? Self-speaking. Okay. Public speaking is the process of delivering a structured speech to an audience to inform, persuade. What type of speech persuades? Persuasive speech. Okay. Next one is to entertain. Like what you have watched earlier, the audience is laughing to Defensor's Santiago's speech. She is having the entertainment while delivering her speech. Now I have here the uh, the key elements of public speaking. What is the first element?
Speaker.
Of course, speech will never be speech without the speaker because who will deliver it in the first place? If a speech is not delivered, then it's not a speech. It's only a piece of written work. But if it's delivered, it is a speech. And if a speech is delivered, by whom? The speaker. The
Speaker.
Second one,
Message.
the
Message.
message. The message or the content of your speech, the information, ideas, or the purpose of the speaker the speaker is trying to convey. Ang mensahe nga gustong ipaabot sa audience, that is the message. Your speech will be nonsense without the perfect message or the suitable message in it. Understood?
Yes.
Next,
Channel.
channel. Channel is TV na, ma'am. No, it's not. Channel is what you use when you deliver your speech. Kanang bitaw, verbal o non-verbal. What is the difference between verbal and non-verbal? Yes? Stand up. Just try. Have a guess. What is the difference between verbal and non-verbal? Non-verbal. Verbal. Just like fiction and non-fiction. What is the difference? Spoken, while the non-verbal. Expressions. Okay, so what got the correct answer? What should we do? 1, 2, 3, and you got it right. Smart and strong. Wow, bongga. Okay. Now, the audience, verbal and non-verbal. As Suput said, verbal is spoken through words, while non-verbal indicates only expressions. Your body movement, your facial expressions. That is non-verbal. No words needed, only your actions. Yes? Non-verbal and verbal. One of the channels in a good speaking, good delivering of speech. Next, audience. Why say imuhang speech kung why malinaw ka na? Because why did you do your speech or why did you make your speech if not for your audience? Right? Who will you deliver it with kung why audience? So audience is a must when you deliver a speech. Because they are the ones you intend to educate or to entertain or to convince. Audience. Next. Purpose. Isod kung magamagama na kag-speech diha tas wa kay tumong. Nano magamama na kag-speech diha? Well done. What a good thing. Is that okay? No, it's not. When you make a speech, you have to have a valid purpose. Pinaka-valid nga tumong para sa inyong audience. Yes? Purpose. Next. The audience's reactions, both verbal and verbal. Namo ko isahay kay maninggit sila. That is verbal. Kumupakpak sila. That is non-verbal. Kana nga mga reaction na makuha nimo sa imong audience. Kana mo imong basihan kung nasakto ba na imong pag-speech nila. And then kung mura sila kwa, you adjust. You will adjust based on your audience's what? On how your audience reacts. Okay. There is a process of public speaking. First is define your purpose. You find your goal. Kung ano sa imong tumungana na. Your reason why you are conducting that speech. Ask yourself if what do you want the audience to know, believe, or do? Ang sa may gusto nimong mahibawan sa audience, or gusto nilang gusto nimong tuuhan nila, or gusto nimong buhaton nila. Define your purpose. Ang sa'y gusto nimong madungog, ang sa'y gusto nimong makita, ang sa'y gusto nimong nakita ng buhat nila. Gets? Second is know your audience. Panalitan, imuhang imong speech diha is for millennial, but your audience is mga gurs gamay. You think magamit kag sarcasm, you think that's funny for them? No. Sarcasm, usually for older ones, are insult. If they can't get that sarcasm, that is not funny for them. For example, you are trying to deliver a very formal speech, but your audience is millennials, new generation, generation Z. Feeling so ma-happy na sila na? Will they feel involved? Will they feel engaged? Kasagaran basta mayor or mga dagto ang mga magilingalingo ng mga uwan ng mga estudyante. No. Is it true or is it true? Yes. Kung maminaw mo nega speech diha nga dagtog posisyon, maminaw mo day. Aso nang aminado. Kanang utok nga galatagaw pero ang mata na ara sa bisanasa. Wala sa mura gaali na sa di mahimutang. Okay. Okay, so know your audience. Know their age, their status, what else? Their background, their interests. Okay, kung ka-speech ka diha without their interest, di mo ma-hook ilang interest, di na mahimong effective yung speech. So know your audience first before you conduct or before you even look for a title for your speech. 1, 2, 1. Third is organize your thoughts. Kung sa pagama pa lang daan nagkabuwag sana, how much more inig-deliver na ninyo? Magkalabok-labok na maglibog na inyo na minaw post-speech, pero hindi pa minaw ortare. Nagkalabok na ng mga grammar, kung ang body na tunong sa introduction, ang introduction na tunong sa conclusion. Organize your thoughts. The speaker must be the first one to organize his or her thoughts before delivering. Gets? What should you do? What should you do?
Organize
your thoughts. Next is practice word delivery. Kaya naman ang right ko dito. No, that cannot be. What if ma-mental block ka sa tunga? Nyawa kay practice kay on the spot, feeling ni mo mag-improve to na kalito. Tapos nakalimot ka na mental block ka dito. Gamit ang right? Wala. Practice cannot make a person perfect, but practice makes a better performance. Practice cannot make you perfect because no one is perfect. Practice makes you better. So practice more frequently and practice your delivery. Ang aniyon din na pagtono, ang aniyon din na pag-ingon, ang aniyon din na sila pagpasabot. There is a practice. Kung pananglitan nga nakalimot ka dito, makarecall ka sa imong practice nga, manito itong ibuhan na practice, kasi ba nagang may ibig? Diba? The adjustment is happening while delivering a speech because you have already gone through it. You have practiced it all already. In delivery, you should remember to establish rapport. Established rapport means you make eye contact. Kasagaran magtanaw og speech kay ang mata kay nasa babaw. Ang mata ay manong bang speaker? Nga ang mga mata kay nasa babaw nga na. Kung itong kuwan sa kay nga na. Bantayin ang kastorya ninyo. Kung mag-stories na about experiences niya, and then ang eyes niya is not straight to your eyes. Naa sa mga palibot, mag-storya nga na, katupit ang kuwan pero nakadiri. There is no eye contact. There is no confidence. Eye contact will be there if you have confidence. Ganahan mo magka-eye to eye? Sure mo? Kasi sa crush ra. Himok lagi. Sa crush is gutan. Okay. Eye contact is very important, class. Namang ko'y uban nga ang tao, kasturya ni mo, di na mo tuog nga na ilang to kayo sa tanaw sa inyo mata. Hindi ka rin sa kaharong. Are you familiar with the word harong? Dili ka tutok bitaw tarong. Straightly from in the eyes. That is, you lack something that is important in delivering a speech, which is making an eye contact. So you make eye contact. The more comfortable and confident you will become. Okay. Speak clearly and confidently. Maoto. When you have confidence, basic na lang ng eyes to eyes ninyo. Eyes to eyes yun ha, tama mga lipat. Na, ganahan eh sila, maulinig na effective speech para makuha na makuha na kanyang attention sa mga audience. But the audience is only your friend. Mag-eye to eye contact. Wala mga ibang hindi pa. Basta kayo na kami confidence kayo nag-eye to eye contact lang eh. Dito na nga na ha. Kaya namin ito mo, stay lang ka na 5 seconds, balindire. Ayun ang pirmi dito. Kasi may istorya niyo si Lord. So no. Face your audience. Make eye contact. Now, project your voice. Ikaw may mag-control sa imong tingog. Kanang ipulbaan ka, mukalit nagkurang imong tingog sa di ka makazoon, but you can control that. If you don't know that, you can control your voice because you are in hold of that. You are in control of everything inside you. Ay, no, muna kagalit. Mo-project imong tingog based sa imong choice. Kung ganahan ka magturog na kadihalag, turog mo yung kadihaan, ito na imong mga tuhod ng murag. Hindi na magkadihaog, karog na po na utok sa imong audience na. Okay? Yes? Project your voice. Use appropriate volume. Katong ngayon na nasa discussion pagyagi. Appropriate volume. Di po na, hoy, kato pinangkuhan. This is the solution of what to do. There is no grammatical rightness. There is no grammatical rightness. And when you speak with low voice, you are like talking to an intimate situation. Pero, iligmulaw, sus, mura ganigang dagko na pasingka. But there are also people with natural, strong voice. First example is, Ma'am Flo. Ma-misunderstood si Ma'am Flo because of her voice. But really, natural na niya. Lalo ito si Ma'am Felicita. See how you judge the person with what you hear based on their volume of voice. Kung nitaas na ng tingog na itok na. Kung nimubo na ng tingog nga pinasweet, nagkinig na. Pero kung murag naipit na ay gahilak na. Okay? So, control the volume of your voice. Next is use effective body language. Si kaganangana pero wala tunong ay mong paingon diha. I saw a post on Facebook. Kung maganda kuno ka, mura bitaw, nakapantay ko ng mga brightenan mo, deliver speech, diba ito nga na. That is what I'm talking about. Mura kubilit na mga damuan ng What's with this gesture, guys? Like, are we playing dampa-dampa here? No, right? Kung ano sila, ay, Brad, nangiganas, punta ako sa comment section ba? Ala, gumana, the triangle figure in her pants shows how intelligent she is. What's with this class? That is what I'm trying to say. What is this? No. When you see body languages and hand gestures, you fit it to what you are saying. Pero nasa may nangalinganin na I just make this or I just do this. Trying to support what I'm saying, but it's no help at all. It's just like I'm shaking my nervousness here because someone is filming me at the back. Okay, there are mga hand gestures nga. That is what you should do. When you, basta nga di ba? Uy, hindi nga na si ma'am, dapat today kong buhatan. Diba appropriate? That is what you should do. Nga ni bitaw nga gesture, muna bitaw exclamatory point. That is what you should do. Mo balik na nga na. Fit your body Fit your body gestures to what you are saying. What do you fit? The body gestures to what you are saying. Very good. Next is engage the audience. Mag-propose me sa mga audience, ma'am. Okay, engage mo ka, ma'am. No. Connect with your audience. Make your audience feel engaged. Kana bitaw mo rak, ay, labot ni, Pero di ko na, umurang na bitaw mo joke, ani gamay para makarelate sa sana. Because when you hit the button of that laughter with your audience, what na? Pero sa hindi, bro, gikatawa na kanina kay basis yung mga. Okay, so engage the audience. Ask questions. What is rhetorical questions, by the way? Who remembers rhetorical question? Yes, very good. What should we do? 1, 2, 3. You got it right. Smart and strong. Wow, bongga. Okay, Julian, very good. Use rhetorical questions. Kanang bisag kanang di na bitaw kinang nag-answer. Ganahan man kay makanon na ang tao. What if bitaw mo na yung hindi ang tanan? What if bitaw di bitaw ka uyab ang tanan? Unsa kay may tabo? Naa ba kay mas spread na genes? What if may soft drinks sa kalibutan? Only water. Naa ba'y may UTI? Okay. What if the ID mga tog ang tanan sa klase? Ma-okay ka ang tanan? What if na pag-umata sa likod? Jen, okay. Engage with your audience. Use examples. Kada mga examples nimo, kada mga example nga relate mo, hindi po nang sa kalibutan, kanang law na sa dagat. Use examples nga mo relate na po sa ibang topic. You can use your experiences. Manang ato sa una kayo. Pinagdamo ng mga kanang mga mayor na sa ako na. Bisa una kay asina mo sa alat mo ay when I can open my eyes with these kind of aspects in life. I experienced that. Mana na po itong mga tao. Your experience in the mayor mo kuya di ay experience ko din ako base ko mayor ko doon. Wala na, nilapas ng pangandoy. Imbis nga mo success na ni mayor dito. Ay, na-experience man sa mayor. Base dahil sa pagka-mayor, mawain ang pagka-boarding. Yan mo? Ano na-experience ko ni mayor? Sa mayor, dapat di ilapas ka ng pangandoy. But, ano na ba? Step by step. You know, there's nothing wrong with taking little steps. Because baby steps still indicate progress mo. Ayaw pagdali, di maando yung mayor di ako kay basta pa ay living. What's with the he is making an eye contact with me. Pero sobrang Huwag ka ng eye contact kung sa Enzo itong history. Di pa naman ka naman na mumura po mong na piskat ka. Eye contact ha. Anton, pa-memorize mo ng pinakaskilay ng kastorya mo. Oh. Too much for that. You're laughing very much. Monitor feedback. Ano sa man ang feedback? Comments or yes, ninyo. What's with the rolling of eyes? Eyes here. Eyes here. Eyes here. Eyes here. Good. Eyes here. Dali na bahalag. Tanong ko na ito ba? Kasi libro. True. Yung ganawa sa libro sa mga ganun. True. Judging. Monitor feedback means pay attention to audience's reactions. Dapat murag bitaw 24 oras lagi nakatutok. Tutuki ang sa reaction sa inyong audience. Okay? Debate. This girl. Stand up. Now. Debate. Tunga mo, tulo dire. Faster. Time is running. Okay, now. Your topic will be you will face each other. Kaning first three dire ni sukod. Second three aray the other three aray sa kilid. Your topic will be, is social media more harmful or beneficial to society? Isa na ipiso. Ay, dala. Kung kinsay hadang maoy agree nga ay harmful ang social media. Kung maoy beneficial ang social media to society. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Kisag-kisabot ang hadang harmful ang social media. Ang nakakob beneficial ang social media. Okay. Dapat muhatag o opinion ang tanan. Okay. 3, 2, 1. English or Bisaya. Basta daghan ang English o Bisaya. Okay, 1 minute to prepare.
Yan.
Social media is harmful to society. Makadaot ko no ang social media sa society. I-defend na Enjo. Ang ilaha kay beneficial man, gamit ko no. Enjo ang kontra ka. Isay, gusto mo na. sa kara grupo. Get. Statement ka. Pinipili mo ko ang choose answer. Okay, sukot. Say na ko. First statement. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
Social media makes the world more convenient.
Stop. 3 sentences.
It has a beneficial nowadays. Nowadays, who wouldn't have social media? Except for the
Okay, thank you. Okay. The other group. Statement. 2 to 3 sentences. Social media is harmful in the society. Dali. Pwede buhatag opinion ang isa't isa sa grupo ha. Basta na ikatubag. Okay? Go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Statement.
social media is harmful to the society because maybe those apps in social media make the students or the people around the world addicted to them.
Addiction and benefits. Now, ready, set, go. It's a boom. Okay, ready, set. Kisa gusto mo na? Pass or play? Play. Pass. Ikaw na. First, may hatag dito nga ang harmful social media. Anything. Di ba makiglanis mo itong friends eh, uy mga social media kay makalipat na. Sige tanong si Ribul. Di ba nga na? Sige, go. Aray mo dalo, dali ah. O diha mo. Uy, time is running. 3, 2, 2.4. Ano tanaw? Make eye contact. Ang social media kay... Ay, tanaw sa kontra. Ang social media kay maka-addict sa mga bata. Maka-addict sa mga bata. Parehas sa Mobile Legend. Daghan na kayong mga tao nga na-addict sa Mobile Legend. Hindi na mukaon sa tawag nga oras. Hindi na matuk hanggang sa kasagaran magluwa sila halos karaan daw. Okay! Hoy! Hindi mo sagot ang group 1. Riba! Ayan!
Are you sure that social media is harmful to our society? For many people, it is very important to have social media nowadays because we can post anything or it makes the world smaller.
success. Last statement ha. Last statement na. Last statement. Ups! Yes. Susunod ang social media. Ngano naman ang mga bata karon lang. Mura naman mga bastos. Kaya ngano ang mutanaw na sila mga harassment. Mga kanag. Mga kissing scene. Halos man lang nga. Halos na mga bata karon kibaw na magana-ngana. Ano yun na? Mga tao karon mag-post na magpakita lang lang mga ano man. Okay, thank you, group 2. Clap your hands. Good. Group 1. Three sentences, last statement. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last statement naman ang conclusion na isa yan.
Ang paggamit sa cellphone kay sa kasyoy sa usa ka tawo. Kung dili mo ganahan mo adik sa cellphone, why ano pa man mo gamit? Ano pa man mo gamit ang cellphone? So, ang social media kay dili jud maka-adik. It is the people, ang mga tao na ang nakadesisyon na kani siya mo'y magamit kani siya ha. Gamit pa og taman-taman sa cellphone. Why do we need to be the social media when in fact the fault in the situation is us, the people in the society.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Let's give a matanaw you. Okay. You. 1, 2, 3, and you. Got it right. Smart and strong. Wow. Okay. Sit down. Okay. Matanaw po. Watch the judgment. Go on.
Okay, and the winner is social media is beneficial to people, okay? Because they able to stand their point na ang social media di maoy maka-addict ay problema. The problem is the people who are not disciplined to use the social media. Okay? That's why the winner is the
Social media is not dangerous because the world is evolving and so is social media. Social media is part of technology. You are the ones who are in charge of your own life. If you got addicted, that's your choice. You have the choice to not be addicted. Everybody's using social media in different aspects, in different uses. But it's you who should be responsible enough in handling social media. Do you know that Philippines is one of the top countries who use social media often? Grabe ang Philippines sa social media. Bata, reels pa imo. Okay. So here is the assessment. But just like a picture. Okay? We had over time very. Plan your speech based on your speech. So good luck for tomorrow's performance task. And I hope you'll do well. Okay? Ay, send sa gising. Thank you for cooperating and may God bless us all. Stand up. Goodbye and God bless you. Grade 8 flower corn.